Hey there, health enthusiasts. Are you ready to shed those extra pounds and feel amazing? Look no further. In today's video, we're diving into the Smoothie Diet, a 21-day program that'll kickstart your weight loss journey. Where does all the hype and buzz come from? The Smoothie Diet is all about sipping your way to success. Imagine delicious, nutrient-packed smoothies that melt away fat and boost your energy. Here's how Smoothie works. These vibrant concoctions can replace 1 or 2 meals a day. Say goodbye to calorie counting and hello to flavor-packed goodness. Why smoothies? They're quick, easy, and packed with vitamins. No more bland salads, just blend and sip. Real results. Users report losing up to 10-20 pounds in just 21 days. It's like a tropical vacation for your taste buds. Get started. Ready to transform your health? Cheers to a healthier you. Click the link below in the description to learn more about the Smoothie Diet and let those smoothies work their magic.